Okay, so the materials that you will need a plastic dustbin. You will also need a plastic square flower pot, and most of all you will need some egg trays. So here I'm placing a PVC pipe in the bottom of the container, just about 1.5 inches. This will help with my drainage, and if needs be, help me to release the plastic container. So now it's time for the mixing of the concrete. You want to keep these at oatmeal consistency. You don't want it too hard or too soft. I use the ratio 2:1 with your regular wash sand and cement. My little helper Andre decided to give me a hand here. So now it's time to pour the cement in the bottom of the container. You want to make sure that that PVC pipe is standing upright to help with your drainage later on. That PVC pipe will also serve as a tool to help to remove the container that will be placed inside. So here I'm securing that plastic container in the center, getting ready now to pour the concrete around. You want to pour your cement timely and slowly, no need to rush. Want to make sure that the cement, the concrete, is set in the grooves of that tray. As you go along, you just tap the side or the container to make sure that you release the air bubbles. you.